Okay, we're going to move on to number 5 and solve this problem. We've got a 45 kilogram person standing on the Earth's surface, where g is 9.81. The radius of the Earth is given, and we are asked to find the mass of the Earth. And they say the hint is that we should treat the person as a point mass. So here's the Earth, and let me pretend for a second that it's an astronaut out here. If I want to find mass of Earth, I'm going to have to use this equation. Mass of person, mass of Earth, over r squared. And if this were the scenario, it's an astronaut, r is always the distance from the center of one object to the center of the other. And because the person is a point mass, it's just the distance to the point. But in the scenario here, it's a different kind of setup. It's not an astronaut. The person is right on the surface of the Earth. And so what's the distance from the center of the Earth to the person? Well, that's just the radius of the Earth itself. In this case, the radius of the Earth equals little r in our equation. So we have that value. It's the 6.371, blah, blah, blah. Okay. I know the mass of the person, I know the r, the distance between the person and the Earth, and I know big G. I'm looking for mass of Earth, so I can't solve yet because I don't know the force of gravity on the person. But we have another equation for force of gravity. We do Fg equals mg. In this equation, Fg equals mg, we plug in the mass of the person, or whatever is on the surface. So the mass of the person here is 45 kilograms. The g is 9.81 at the surface of the Earth where the person is standing. And I calculate. 9.81. 441.45. Okay, let me move all this over to the side. Alright then, we're ready to proceed. Force of gravity is 441.45. That's weight. We also call that the weight. G is 6.67 times 10 to the minus 11. Mass of person is 45. Mass of Earth, that's my unknown. And the R value is 6.371 times 10 to the 6. I'm going to have to isolate mass of Earth, so I have to divide by the things that are multiplied with it, and I have to multiply by the things that mass of Earth is divided by. So when I calculate, I'm going to do 441.45 times, I'm multiplying 6.371 to the other side. Second EE6, and I square it. Don't forget the square there. Then we're going to have to divide by the 6.67 E negative 11, like I've shown. And we also have to divide by the 45. Because it's multiplied, 45 is multiplied with mass of Earth, so we divide to get it away from mass of Earth to the other side. I hit enter, and I have 5.97 times 10 to the 24. That is my answer. So go ahead now and solve number 6 as well.